Is your Honda Pilot's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are the hood latch switch, liftgate actuator, key fob malfunctions, or overly sensitive settings. First, inspect the hood and liftgate switches for corrosion or misalignment. A faulty switch can send false open signals, triggering the alarm. Next, check your key fob's battery. A weak battery or signal interference can prevent disarming. Finally, adjust the alarm sensitivity in your infotainment system, lowering it to reduce false positives from vibrations or road noise. Error codes like B11B6 hood switch or B11B7 liftgate can be diagnosed using an OBD2 tool. Honda has addressed alarm issues through technical service bulletins and software updates. Check if your Pilot, especially 2016-2023 models, needs TSB T25-001, which recalibrates alarm sensitivity via a body control module update. Some models may also be part of recall number 25V123 for faulty hood switches. Contact your local Honda dealer for free over-the-air updates or switch replacements if applicable. In the meantime, you can try resetting the alarm by cycling the ignition or cleaning switch contacts to resolve intermittent triggers from hood latch or liftgate actuator issues. These solutions can save time and money by fixing alarm problems linked to switches and actuators.